It's Tuesday, November 25th. In the headlines, more National Water Commission systems back in operation in St. Elizabeth via generators. Education Ministry moves to adjust SBA deadlines and exam dates due to the impact of Hurricane Melissa. In business news, winners announced at Jamaica Stock Exchange Market Research Competition. Regionally, news from Antigua and Barbuda. Melissa's destruction underscores urgent climate finance need. And in sports, Manchester High opens title defense with winning start in the Issa Rural Area Basketball Competition. This is the news on PBC Jamaica. I'm Simone Absalom Gale. For the full newscast, head over to our YouTube and Facebook pages.